Ready?
But the owner lives here in Alaska. Ah.
Yeah. She's ready. This is the finished product.
In 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Very quick. How much is he paid for each fish?
40
not for
per
Per kilo?
not per kilo, per pay.
So Grace, you're the owner
no.
of the fish?
That's also
No,
her
kasi
business.
This is also my business. Yeah.
So who's the owner?
Her daughter.
The fish.
Her daughter.
No, you have to explain this because
His
I don't
daughter.
understand.
Kung sa may isda karon good.
So how does the payment work for this?
Per pay. Because
40 per
the one who put it in the ano sa tawag sa inyong konti? Waron?
kanang
Tapping?
tapping.
Cutting.
It's another payment also.
Oh.
Oh,
2 piso
Every
per
process is
cupping.
another payment.
each process is
Cutting.
Juliana. Deboning and drying.
Concentrate.
Juliana.
Because after that deboning, someone will wash and put salt. So there's a taste.
Grace, so you do this too?